Oh, let's freaking go.
Yeah. I'm gonna call Dad up right now.
Yeah, FaceTime. Here.
No.
Yeah.
I'll call Dad.
Drone in the sky.
Yo, look at this.
Getting the work done.
We called him Stickers.
Oh. Good job, man. He's a. Hey, we found him. He's dead. He's dead. Over here. We found him. The drone found him.
Let's go.
Yes, he's big. He's a monster.
Yo, look at this.
Thing is a monster. Tell Mom Alan will FaceTime him.
She's shooting him right here. I can FaceTime him.
Yeah, but when he goes. A couple hundred yards. Maybe not. He's right here standing with him.
Thanks. He's a big old deer.
Wow. So the drone guy found them.
Yeah, he did.
Where's Mom at? Tell me.